Okay, so since lockdown had started, many of us have started using this
Milton Spotzero.
mop bucket or any other company maybe.
For the Milton Spotzero,
This product is very good. We are using it since more than 1 year, but now after using it for some time, what now it does is this particular section works fine when you just spin it like this. But when you put it into this drying basket, this doesn't move very smoothly and it gives a noise like this. So how to fix this issue at home? So we are attempting doing it at home. So what we need to do is we need to basically remove this outer ring under which this particular drying basket moves. So for doing this, try to see. Yeah, now this is we need to remove. So now we just need to pull this out. This gets pulled out and then this gets jammed here. Yeah. This portion you can see it's very jammed. So take any waste cloth and try to clean this part. This is jammed here, you can see, that's why it's not moving. So what we'll do now is we'll try to remove this. So you can use maybe the pliers which are there at your home, maybe this particular plier or this kind of plier, and try to pull it out. So what we're doing is now we're trying to pull this out so that we can clean it and apply some grease or oil and then again fit it again. You can see this has come out. Now we just need to clean this up. Yeah. This, as you can see, it's totally rusted. Once this is rusted, then it won't move freely. So what we'll do is we'll try to apply some oil here. And we'll put this in. We want this to spin freely. Clean the basket and maybe just clean the areas where this will fit in. Like fully jammed now, it has started moving with it. Just need to put this back by, this is all like press fit kind of plastic, so just press it to fit it. Yeah, so we'll get some clicking noise so that make sure that it is now properly press fitted. You can see that now this has started moving. Once that is done, then we need to put this handle in place. For that, this is again a press fit handle, so we just need to push it here, press it a bit, and you'll get a click sound. Yes, now it's good. Now let us see whether it will start spinning freely or not. So remove this pin so that the tension gets released, and just like it moves here freely. Now let's see whether this starts. This is spinning freely. Yeah, you can see now. We could very easily fix this problem at home. I hope you like this how-to video. So if you like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.